Ever come across a CTF where you have to brute force an SSH password? Hydra is your tool. In the example today, I will be creating an account on my device alongside you, which we shall obtain the password of using Hydra. This is a very simple example of how to use Hydra for SSH brute forcing. I want to reiterate that this video is for educational purposes only. This knowledge is to be used for good. I think it's time we got started. In this example, I am going to create a new user on my Kali Linux machine. As I do this, I will set the password to password for this example. I shall leave the user information blank. Next, I shall start the SSH service, and I shall confirm that SSH is running on my Kali Linux machine by running a quick NMAP scan against my machine. As you can see, the service SSH is running, meaning we were successful. Now we are going to attempt to hack into our SSH and pretend we don't know the password. Say hello to Hydra. As I enter the command, I am using the L flag to specify the username, which in our case is SSH example. I am using an uppercase P to provide the agent with a list of passwords. I am using the infamous rockyou list. Finally, I am setting it to run at 4 threads, and specifying that we are targeting SSH on my Kali machine's IP address. It appears that we have successfully obtained the SSH password. If you want to confirm this is correct, simply use the SSH agent to connect. I hope this has given you an understanding of cracking SSH passwords with Hydra.